stop everything. If your hair is breaking, shedding, or will not grow, this Pre-Poo mist will change everything for you. I am using just onion, shea butter, and the oil, and the results are instantly. So guys, if you are struggling with breakage or slow hair growth, this Pre-Poo is for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's recipe. We are using only 3 powerful ingredients. Our first ingredient is onion. I've already washed my onion, peel off the skin, wash it thoroughly. So next thing I will do now is to bring my bowl and my hand grater to grate it, okay? So I don't want to use blender. So if you have blender, please feel free to use blend, okay? And also if you don't have hand grater and you have mortar and pestle, please use your mortar to pound it, but make sure your mortar is super clean before you can pound it. What you are looking for is a way to extract out the onion juice, okay? So there is no way you cannot prepare this. If you have blender, use your blender. If you have hand grater, use your hand grater. If you have mortar and pestle, please use your mortar to extract out the juice, okay? So I'm using my hand grater because of those that are always asking me they don't have blender. So I'm just showing you now that you can use your hand grater to do this job, okay? So use any type of onion you have. If it's white onion you have available, please make use of it. If it's purple onion, also make use of it, okay? Onion juice is one of the powerful hair growth remedy that can help you to achieve your hair goals in a very short period of time. If you have struggled with stagnant hair growth, breakage, shedding, or dandruff or itching scalp, onion will be your solution to those problems. Onion have a lot of benefits on it. Onion can grow your hair like crazy. There's no joke. Strengthen your hair, stop hair shedding, hair breakage, and so many of them. Please do more research on onion, okay? If you don't know what onion can do on your hair, please carry on your research and you'll be mind-blowing on the results we got on onion, okay? So after grating the onion, the next thing I'll do now is to be my wig cap and my bowl to collect my onion juice. What you need is the onion juice. So you need something that have very tiny hole to extract out this onion juice so that you don't have particles or residues of the onion on your hair. That is not a good experience at all, okay? So this wig cap I use did not really do that good justice for me. Still leave some little particles of the onion into the onion juice. So I would advise you to use your sheath cloth, your hanky or stockings, or unless you have strong wig cap, like this particular wig cap is not strong one, is light wig cap, okay? So I still go ahead and use something else to extract out this onion juice again so that those small particles will not be on my hair. So after extracting out my onion juice, this is what I have so far. So moving on to our second ingredient is raw shea butter, okay? Shea butter is very important in this recipe because it play a huge role in this hair growth Pre-Poo, okay? Shea butter will deeply moisturize your hair, soften your hair, and prevent your ends. I will make use of 2.5 tablespoons of my shea butter, okay? You can go further by your measurement, okay? Depend on your hair, okay? After doing that, my third ingredient is oil. Use any of your favorite hair growth oil you have available, okay? You are free to go, okay? So oil helps to lock in moisture and prevent breakage. So I'm using 3 to 4 tablespoons of my oil, okay? You can use higher, you can use lesser, depend on you, like as I said, okay? So next step is to melt the shea butter and the oil. So be using warm water, meaning hot water, okay? So the bowl now contain hot water. I just transfer the bowl that contain my shea butter and my oil on top of the hot water. Please don't do this with direct heat or do not use microwave to do this. Use hot water exactly the way I'm using it, okay? It not take time to melt. Make sure your water is very hot. put it in a bowl, okay, then transfer the container that contain your shea butter and your oil. Just for some minutes it will melt immediately, okay. In this way this shea butter is 100% active, okay, meaning you have not lose any of the benefit of this shea butter and the oil. So if you do it direct heat, you may lose the benefit of shea butter, okay, or if you use microwave, you may also lose the benefits of the shea butter and the oil. So to make sure that this shea butter and the oil are super potent the way they're supposed to be, use it the way I'm using it now, by putting hot water in a bowl, transfer the bowl that contain your ingredient on top of it. Some minutes it will definitely melt. So after some minutes, as you can see, my shea butter and my oil have melted completely. They have married each other. So this is the best way to achieve good results with this hair growth Pre-Poo, okay. So after the shea butter have melted, next thing I bring my onion juice and pour my onion juice inside the shea butter and my oil bowl, and use my spoon to turn it very well. Make sure they mix up very well for that best result. As you can see, this Pre-Poo is very simple to prepare, very easy, but very effective and potent. You don't need to let down on this Pre-Poo, because this Pre-Poo is a game changer. I will still tell you guys more benefits of this Pre-Poo, why you need to use this Pre-Poo on your hair, okay. So next thing is to transfer it to my applicator bottle for easy application. Then our game changer Pre-Poo is ready to be used. Next thing now is to demonstrate to you on how to use this Pre-Poo to achieve that good result, to see that huge transformation with this Pre-Poo. This Pre-Poo is mind-blowing. There is no joke. So now let me demonstrate to you on how to apply this Pre-Poo to get that best results. For those that don't know what is Pre-Poo, so Pre-Poo means a product you apply on your hair first before shampooing your hair, to help to prevent dryness after shampooing your hair, to help to prevent shedding, breakage, matted hair after shampooing your hair, and also to help to prevent you losing your natural oils after shampooing your hair. So there's a lot of benefit to be gotten on doing Pre-Poo first before applying shampoo on your hair. So this particular Pre-Poo does extremely good on your hair. This particular Pre-Poo go extremely mind in giving you best result you can ever imagine. So keep on watching. I'll still break it more down to you, okay. So to use this Pre-Poo, first thing you need to do is work in session, okay. Do not apply it on your hair like that without working in session, because working in session will help you to be 100% sure that this Pre-Poo penetrates all over your hair strands and also all over your scalp for that best results. So another thing I will advise you, maybe if your hair is like 1 month old, you have not washed your hair like 1 month and above, and you want to use this particular Pre-Poo, whether your hair is in protective hairstyle or not, please make sure you use warm water to rinse your hair thoroughly, like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Use warm water to rinse your hair. Why I say warm water? Because warm water will help to remove dirties on your scalp and also on your hair strands. So warm water is the best, okay. So after using warm water to rinse your hair for some minutes, then squeeze out the excess water, allow your hair to air dry, then go ahead and use this Pre-Poo. In that way you get best result, because if your hair is super dirty, I kid you not, you can never get that good result with this Pre-Poo. Your result cannot be as active like someone that used it in a little clean hair. I hope you're understanding me. So maybe if your hair is that super dirty, do this, okay. And maybe now you can do it like tomorrow, okay. If you want to wash your hair like tomorrow, do it today, okay. Do it a day before your wash day. In that way your hair can dry properly before you can apply this Pre-Poo on your hair. I hope you're understanding me. So focus on your scalp. For those that struggle with dandruff, itchy scalp, stagnant hair growth, please focus on your scalp, okay? So for those that want to regrow their edges, their crown section, please focus on that problem area. This Pre-Poo, you can apply it all over your hair, both on your scalp and also on your hair strands. It will help to strengthen your hair strands, okay, and help to reduce breakage and sheddings on your hair. While using it on your scalp, it will help to promote hair growth and also help you to treat that your itchy scalp, that dandruff and that freaky scalp. This treatment will help you to solve those problems. Guys, do you see how easy my hand passed through my hair? My hair is super soft, super strengthened and tangle free. As I run my hand through my hair, I did not see any shedding on my hand. I did not see any breakage on my hand. This Pre-Poo is something you need to try on. Do not joke with this Pre-Poo, guys, please. If you really want to get that game changer, if you want to see your hair come back to life, if you are dealing with damaged hair, you want to repair your damaged hair, this Pre-Poo can help you bring your hair back to life. If you are dealing with brittle hair, dull hair, frizz hair, dry hair, this Pre-Poo is for you. This Pre-Poo is a game changer, and also this Pre-Poo can help you to grow your hair faster, reduce those shedding, breakage and give you faster hair growth. I'm not joking. A trial will convince you, okay? This Pre-Poo is something that you don't need to joke on. So use this Pre-Poo every of your wash days, okay? Before you shampoo your hair, use this Pre-Poo first, okay? So after I apply this Pre-Poo on my hair, I'll just give myself a gentle scalp massage. It's very, very important to massage your scalp, okay? After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair for 30 minutes to an hour. If you are using steamy cap, cover your hair for 30 minutes to 35 minutes. But if you are not using steamy cap, you are using shower cap or cellophane nylon, please cover your hair up to 1 hour for best results, okay? So after then, remove it and go ahead and start your wash day routines, okay? Use this every of your wash day routine for best results, and you see a huge transformation on your hair. That is no joke. This will bring your hair back to life, help you for length retention, help you restore moisture to your hair, help you to stop breakage on your hair, and so many of them. That's no joke, okay? A trial will convince you. My advice to you, if you are ready to grow your hair, don't need to skip Pre-Poo. Try to use Pre-Poo on your wash days, because lack of Pre-Poo may be the cause of your stagnant hair growth, brittle hair, breakage, lifeless hair, dry hair and matted hair. Yes, lack of Pre-Poo can cause many things on your hair. Can cause you not to retain moisture, can cause you not to retain length, okay? So there's a lot of things lack of Pre-Poo can cause to your hair. So if you are ready to grow your hair, don't need to joke with Pre-Poo, okay? So I hope you take this advice from me and you will never regret it, okay? So guys, I have come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you are not joined this Breakage family, do wait to subscribe, share this video and like this video so that it will get a whole lot of people out there, okay? So that it also help to save some people out there. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.